UNICEF. Now let us know what is the full form of UNICEF. The United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF, originally known as the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, was created by the United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 1946 to provide emergency food and health care to children and mothers in countries that had been devastated by World War II. What are the aims of UNICEF? UNICEF is guided by the Convention of the Rights of Child and strives to establish children's rights as enduring ethical principles and international standards of behavior towards children. UNICEF insists that the survival, protection, and development of child are universal development imperatives that are integral to human progress. UNICEF mobilizes political will and material resources to help countries, particularly developing countries, ensure a first call for children and to build their capacity to perform appropriate policies and deliver services for children and their families. Slogan of UNICEF. The main slogan of UNICEF is for every child, hence establishing a sense of equality, diversity, and togetherness. UNICEF emphasizes that power of girls who help in the upliftment of the society, irrespective of their origin. Now let us know what is the structure of UNICEF. The heart of UNICEF's work is in the field, which each country office carries out UNICEF's mission through a unique program of cooperation development with the host government. This 5-year program focuses on practical ways to realize the rights of children and women. Their needs are analyzed in a situation report produced at the beginning of the program cycle. Regional offices guide this work and provide technical assistance to country offices as needed. UNICEF's work is fully part of other United Nations activity in a country. Overall management and administration of the organization takes place at headquarters, where global policy on children is shaped. Specialized offices include the Supply Division based in Copenhagen, which provides such as essential items as the majority of life-saving vaccine. Thus, for children in developing countries, the UNICEF Global Shared Services Center in Budapest provides HR administration, payroll, invoices, payments, master data, and global help desk services to UNICEF staff and offices worldwide. UNICEF also operates the Innocenti Research Center in Florence and offices for Japan and Brussels, which assist with fundraising and liaison with policymakers. Now let us know what are the focus area of UNICEF. More than 70 years, UNICEF has worked to improve the lives of children and their families. Despite remarkable challenges around the world, UNICEF staffers fight for the rights of every child seeking safe shelter, nutrition, protection from disaster and conflicts, and quality